Hello everyone, welcome to another Data Popcorn tutorial. My name is Juliana and today we're tackling a common Power BI challenge. Too many tabs, not enough space. If you're looking for a cleaner layout, I've got a slick trick for you. In under 5 minutes, I will show you how to turn a simple slicer into a powerful page navigation, just like here. Let's have a look. So the first step is listing the name of all your tabs and adding them to a new table. The names have to be an exact match, otherwise it will not work. So the way that I did for this example, I just selected here, enter date, and then I manually typed my values. So here it is, I created two columns, one with the page name itself, and the other column called sort, which is the order that I want to sort the column page. Otherwise, it's not going to appear in the correct order. And then I'm going to name this table page navigation. Right, I'm not going to load because this table is already my model. So I'm going to cancel and show you what is the next step. So just to show you in the table view, here it is, page and sort. Let's now sort the column page by the column sort. So sort by sort. And next, we have to create a measure that will select the page name. So it's a very simple measure. It is, I just call it page navigation and I use the function selected value. And then I fetch the column on this new table, page navigation, which is the column page. And if there is no selected, to return select page. So the measure is ready. All we have to do now is build a slicer and a button that will actually action the slicer. So let's build our slicer first. So I'm just going to select here the slicer and I'm going to drag the field page to my slicer. There we go. Let's just format to look a little bit better. There we go. So now when you click here, you're going to have all the pages that we listed. But if we click, nothing actually is going to work. And to make it work, we need to, let's just force selection. Correct. There we go. Single selection. Now let's make it work by adding first a button. So let's go to Insert, Buttons. And I'm just going to add a blank button. And now for this button, let's click in Style and add text. And the text that I want to add is Go. So let's just match the same font size and color. Right. What else do we have to do? We now have to format the action. So on the format pane, you have the option Action, and I have to toggle on. After toggle on, I have to select the type of action that in this case would be page navigation. And the destination, we're going to use the conditional formatting option. So just click here. And we're going to use the page navigation. And if you remember the measure that we created called page navigation. Let's select that one. And let's just make it a bit neat. And let's just put the frame around the same color. White, icon, what I needed, border. There we go. So now when I make a selection of my slicer, let's select Schedule Analysis and click Go. It will take you to the page Schedule Analysis. And then all you have to do is copy and paste these page navigation with the button Go across your pages and we will work the same way. So if I click here now, and go back to Activity Schedule, and I click Go, I go back to the correct page. And that's it. We have now leveled up our page navigation using iSlicer. So all we have to do is creating a new table listing the tab names, a few clicks and a dash of creativity. And we transformed our report into a seamless experience for our users without clutter and without confusion. Thanks a lot for tuning into Data Popcorn. It's goodbye from me now and see you soon.